Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually going to be reviewing this tea kettle. The company Belanko actually sent it to me, so I'm just going to do a quick review of it. Let's take it out of the packaging. Comes like this, and this is what it looks like. It's super pretty. So like I said, the company Belanko actually sent this to me, and they did give me the option of choosing the color, so I chose milky white, but they also have the color gradients: blue, gray, white, milk white, and black. So these are, they have the colors on the box. Hopefully you can see them. And I believe the name of the tea kettle is just Belanko 3.0 tea kettle. And it has a capacity of 2.7 quarts, and it is stainless steel. You can use it on gas stoves, electric stoves, and even in the dishwasher, which is pretty cool. So it's like really smooth. This is like a matte color. It has like no shine to it, but it's perfect because I really like it. I personally have never owned a tea kettle before, so this is like pretty cool. Oh, that's cool too. See, you just push the button, opens and closes, and then this little thing, little cap for it, and then the inside. I'm not sure if you can see, but that's what it looks like. And then at the bottom it says Belanko, make your life better. Yeah, so like I said, I've never owned a tea kettle before. I have an electric kettle, but I just thought this would be like super cute to like just have out at all times, you know, like just on display on the stove. But also to use, also to boil water, you know, not just have it out as decor, as a decor piece. But that's why I chose this color. I was gonna go with the black, but I don't know, I'd like this one better, and I feel like it will go with my color scheme at my house. So yeah, so as you can see, the whistle right here. What else can I say about this? I think it's really pretty. Like, honestly, like this mimics like wood. I don't think it is wood. I think it's just like a wrap, right? Yeah, I don't know, but it looks like wood, and it's super soft. Yeah, like you're able to grip it comfortably on your hand. I hope you guys enjoyed my review on the Belanko tea kettle. If you would like to purchase your own, you can either go to Amazon and purchase from them. They do have an Instagram, which, let me pull up their page so you can see it. This is their page. I don't even know if you can see it, but I'll leave it linked down below, and they have these things on there too. I'll see you real quick. So they have, like, I think these are like tumblers, and then they have their kettles. So you can go on their page, and then they have like at the top of their page in their bio section, they have their website, so you can actually like click on there and it takes you directly to their website also. So yeah, let me show you real quick actually before I wrap up this video. Let me show you the colors of the kettles. I'm pretty sure okay, so they have two types of kettles. They have the Starry Tea Kettle, which it's like, it doesn't have this texture. It's just like plain, but the colors are like starry. The definition of it. I mean, the description of the kettle is in their name, Starry Tea Kettle. So for example, this one, let me see if you can tell. See, like it looks like splattered paint. That's how mostly all of them look. So they have white, they have gray, blue, and another gray. So they have two grays. This is one gray. And then this is the blue. And then this one is the other gray. So those are the Starry Tea Kettles. And then the one that I have is called Diamond Tea Kettle. And then they have Gradient Blue. So it's just a blue that's like, it goes from like baby blue to really light blue. It looks like that. And then we have black. And this is a matte black. Also really pretty. That's the one that I was gonna go for, but decided not to. And then royal blue. This looks like a matte royal blue also. And then we have the one that I ordered, which is milk white. And last but not least, we have white. That one's really nice. I think when I had the option to choose, I don't know if white wasn't an option, because if it would have been, I think I would have gotten white. So I'm not too sure. But as of today, May 5th, they are on sale for $33.99. They're originally $36.99. So if you're really interested, you should check them out. They also have blenders, which that's pretty cool, like portable blenders. There you go. So yeah. Once again, this is what it looks like, and this is in the color milky white. That's what it looks like from the back, like that, and then the bottom. So once again, if you are interested, I will leave their website and their Instagram down below, and you can go ahead and purchase from them, or you can go on Amazon and purchase. I'll link all those all of their links down below in the description box. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this is something that I've never really done. I don't really do reviews on like tea kettles, but I'm kind of starting to switch up my content, and soon you will know why. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.